The question here is, if y varies directly as x and y equals to 10 when s is equals to 1 over 2, find the relationship between y and x. Hence, find x when y is equal to 35. So in this case, what we have here is direct variation. And we are told that y is in direct variation with x. For us to solve this, we have to change this variation sign to equality sign. And once we change this variation sign to equality sign, we introduce a constant. So we now have y is equals to kx. We have introduced k, which was not in the question. So we have to find x. So if that is the case, we say, what is this x? Where k stands for what? Constant. But in the question, y is equals to 10 and x is equals to 1 over 2. So since y is equals to 10 and x is equals to 1 over 2, what do? We have to substitute 10 for y in the equation and substitute 1 over 2 for x in that same equation. What do you mean by substitute? To replace. So in that case, wherever we have y, we replace it with 10. So we now have 10 is equals to k, which we don't know, times what? X, and x is what? 1 over 2. So in that case, we have 10 is equals to what? K times 1, we have k over 2. If you cross multiply, then we have 10 times 2, we have that k is equals to 10 times 2 is 20. Is that all? No. We go back to the equation. We know that y is equals to kx. So we now say, we now carry that 20 and replace that k, then we now have that y is equals to what? 20x. That is replacing the k in this equation with the 20, because we have found what k stands for. So in that case, we now say, therefore, the relationship between y and x is y equals to what? 20x. Is that all? No, we have got the relationship between x and y. But we are also asked to find what? X when y is 35. So now say, when y is equals to what? 35. We have to go back to this equation and use 35 and replace what? Y. So we have y equals to what? 20x. So since y is now 35, we have 35 is equals to 20x. So what do you now do to make x the subject of formula? We divide both sides by 20. We have 35 divided by 20 equals to 20x divided by 20. 20 cancel 20 to remain x. And 5 into this is 7, 5 into this is 5. So therefore, x is equals to 7 over 5, or 1 whole number 2 over 5. Hope you understood. Thanks for listening. Please like, share, comment.